Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MyPhone N23 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and unfortunately the resolution option is not highlighted here in this upper bar, so we have to open the settings which are in the right upper corner. And now we have to tap on video quality. And as you can see in this device, we've got 4 different options. So 2K, which is currently applied because it is highlighted. We've got also FHD, HD and VGA. So it's up to you which option you prefer. I will set HD. As you can see, it is right now highlighted, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution and quality whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.